the front wheel, line up the holes, and now you can install your front metal fender. Now take an Allen key and a size 10 wrench to tighten up the fenders nice and snug. Now that the fenders are nice and snug, you can now put your front tire back on. Now take a size 15 wrench to snug up both sides of the tire. Now loosen both sides of the rear tire to remove it. Now unplug the motor wire. Once you remove the bolts from both sides of the tire, you can now remove it from the frame. Now that the rear tire is out of your way, it's time to connect the rear fender by just placing 2 screws nice and snug. Now that the rear fender is installed, you can now move the chain out of your way and slide the tire back into place. Now grab a size 19 wrench and snug up both sides of the rear tire to make sure it's nice and tight. Now set the chain in place and plug back in the motor wire. Don't forget to zip tie the motor wire to the frame so that it has a nice clean look.